Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Golf R. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows,